Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech World, and today I'm going to review of the Infinix Note 11, and it's right now available everywhere wherever you go to shops. And I think the price can be 12,499 onwards, the rupees price in India we can try. And the same price is for Flipkart. Amazon 13,499, which is 1,000 more, and there's 10% off on ICICI bank credit cards for Flipkart, and 10 instant discount with SBI credit cards for the Amazon.in. Okay, now let's talk about the good things and more about this phone. So, good things is that it's having FHD plus wide AMOLED display, impressive camera setup at both ends with flash, 4GB of RAM, and MediaTek Helio G88 chipset, 5000 mAh battery capacity, which is compatible with the 33 watt of fast charging system, expandable internal storage, monster game case sleek designs, multi-screen collaboration facilities, and this is approximately priced entry level smartphones and offering a variety of useful features under the hood. You can depend on the particular to capture intrinsic details under various lighting conditions, besides multitasking for prolonged hours. And moreover, the device also gets an expandable internal storage space to save the files and videos on the go. Now the display on the camera, it's having a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, the FHD plus, and resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels, along with the impressive pixel density of 300 and 393 ppi pixels per inch. And the bezel-less display of the device gives an aspect ratio of 20:9, and besides water drop noise to house the front cameras. The brand has incorporated a 50 megapixel by 1.6 primary cameras, 2 megapixel by 2.4 cameras, and an AI lens on the rear side, along with the quad LED flash, and a powerful 60 megapixel front camera, which is the primary camera, is placed on the front. Not only I said front self for selfies, which captures stunning images under different lighting conditions. Configuration of the batteries. This phone, the Infinix, the Note 11, right? Yeah, this phone is having a MediaTek Helio G88 chipsets, 4GB of RAMs, octa-core processors, which is dual-core 2 GHz, Cortex A75, hexa-core 2 GHz of Cortex A55, backed by a Mali G52 MC2. GPU looks after the graphical requirements and overall multitasking. The smartphone is loaded with the 5000 mAh battery capacity, which is leaf polymer, which is removable, non-removable by nature. The particular cell is also equipped with the 33 watt of fast charging systems. Storage and connectivity. It's having 64GB of internal storage, which can be expandable 512 GBs, and allow seamless voice and video calls through 4G or VoLTE, voice over LTEs, and the connectivity options loaded, which are a GPS, GLONASS, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth version 5.1, and Wi-Fi 8.2.11, A by B by G by AC by AS by AX. And that's all with the review of the Infinix Note 11 for 2022. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and turn on the notification, because if you turn on the notification, you will get notified if there's a new video, and share this channel and this video. And you can check out the previous video and the suggestion videos right over here. And this is Tech World signing off.